Today we're going to show you how to transition from rural Class B poly pipe to metric pipe using Philmac fittings. What will you need for the job? A Philmac rural fitting for Class B poly pipe, Class B rural poly pipe, metric pressure poly pipe, and a 3G metric conversion kit.
What we're going to demonstrate now is how to convert from a rural system to a metric system by using a Philmac 3G connection kit. First off, you remove the components from the rural end using the connection kit. Insert the O-ring and collet, screw the nut into position, leaving exposed 2 to 3 threads in the body. Draw your metric pipe into the fitting, tighten by hand, then using a wrench, tighten the metric nut all the way to the flange.